Hi viewers, today we're bringing you a closer look at the stunning 2025 Freightliner Cascadia, an icon of power, innovation, and modern-day trucking. If you're someone who lives life on the open road or just appreciates great design and efficiency, this machine is definitely worth your attention. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Cascadia boasts a sleek, aerodynamic exterior that isn't just for show. Every curve and line is engineered for maximum fuel efficiency. Freightliner has enhanced the shape with improved side skirts, mirrorless digital camera systems, and an updated grille that cuts through the wind like never before. This translates into lower fuel costs and reduced emissions, giving drivers and fleet operators a major advantage. Under the hood, the new Cascadia comes equipped with a Detroit DD15 Gen 5 engine paired with the DD15 automated manual transmission. Together, they deliver not only raw power, but also smarter performance. The integrated powertrain offers smoother shifting, better fuel economy, and less driver fatigue, perfect for those long hauls across the country. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the focus on comfort and technology. The cab has been redesigned with driver needs in mind. There's more space to move around, improved insulation for a quieter ride, and premium seats that adjust to your perfect posture. The sleeper cab is roomy and well-equipped, giving drivers a real home on the road. Plus, Freightliner has integrated the latest in digital cockpit features, including a customizable instrument cluster, a massive infotainment screen, and voice-activated controls. Safety is another strong point. The 2025 Cascadia comes with Detroit Assurance 5.0, a suite of advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and pedestrian detection. These systems work in harmony to help prevent accidents and make driving less stressful. What really sets the 2025 Freightliner Cascadia apart is its smart connectivity. With real-time telematics, predictive maintenance alerts, and remote diagnostics, fleet managers can monitor performance, schedule, service, and reduce downtime all from a centralized dashboard. It's built for the future of trucking. With AI-driven insights and over-the-air updates that keep the truck at peak performance, whether you're an independent driver or managing a fleet, the 2025 Cascadia delivers on every front: efficiency, comfort, safety, and cutting-edge technology. It's not just a truck. It's a powerful, intelligent partner built to redefine the road. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next ride.